Hey guys, it's Olive back at it again with another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing the Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel for oily sensitive skin. I love this cleanser so much. If you've been watching my video, you will know that this is the cleanser that I've been using on my face and it gets the job done very well. This cleanser is suitable for oily acne prone skin. Yes, I have an oily skin, but the weather right now is super dry, and I still use this cleanser because it's not too drying on my face. Yes, so it's suitable for my oily sensitive skin, which I would recommend anyone who is really in search of a cleanser to get this cleanser. It gets the job done. What works for me might not work for you, but this cleanser won my heart. This cleanser contains niacinamide and ceramide. Now the niacinamide, because my cleanser contains niacinamide, I don't use any other niacinamide in my routine. Now it also has ceramide. Ceramide helps skin barrier, it improves hydration and reduces sensitivity on my skin. So this cleanser is great on my skin. Now in this video I'll also be showing you guys how I use it. Now I just my face is all dirty, I've not cleansed my face, and I'll be showing you guys in this video how I get to cleanse my face with this cleanser. I'm not in the bathroom cleansing my face, and I just want to show you guys. I'll be spraying in water with this spray bottle on my face, and then I cleanse my face. Yeah, now this is the amount of water that I need to cleanse my face. Using one pump of this cleanser, I rub in together. So normally what I do in the bathroom is just to count 1, 2 to 60 before I know that it's up to 60 seconds. So I just count like so: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Once I count up to 60, I wash off my face, and I'll be doing that off camera. Just rinsed off my face. In this video, because I'm really making a video, I'm not really comfortable washing my face with the camera on and all that. Yes, I'm not comfortable. I'm supposed to do a second wash, which I do like 60 seconds the first time, and then there's 30 seconds to make sure that I'm cleansing properly my sunscreen. Yeah, why I double cleanse is because of the sunscreen I use every morning. So I make sure I cleanse 60 seconds and then 30 seconds mask, just to make sure that everything is off properly. Now if I don't have time, I always use a wipes to wipe off the excess water before moving into the next one. But when I don't have something, I'm not in a rush, I just allow my face to air dry, and then I follow up the next one. Yes, this is the one. I've gone halfway with this one. this is the empty one, and the other ones that I've already disposed, like this cleanser won my heart. And if you are looking for a cleanser that is good, this is not a paid art or anything. Nobody paid me to make this video. I'm just reviewing it because it's work for me, and I know someone out there is looking for a cleanser that will be suitable on his or her skin. That was why I decided to review this cleanser. Now guys, you're watching my video and then you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any other video I'll be dropping. See you guys on the next one. Bye.